Yes. Now, hmm, time arrival after which the activity of radionuclei A2 reaches its maximum value. The time arrival after which the activity of the radionuclei A2 reaches its maximum value. So now N2 value should be maximum. When it is going to become maximum means total number of number of nucleons of A2 becomes maximum, that is asking. Then N2 is equal to, last we have derived the formula. That formula N2 is equal to, this is the same thing we have taken from there only we are starting the problem. And after that so one condition is required. The starting stage of N2 is dN2 by dt is equal to 0. From there we are starting. So when it is 0, then we can make it equals to 0. Then what happens here means, here one thing we have to remember, this is the term A2 to maximum its value, means from A1 to A2 it is happening. From A1 to A2 it is happening means A2 should be maximum and it should not start to A3. That's number. N2 is number of nuclei should be N2 maximum, that is number is asking. So dn by d2 dn2 by d2 should not be happen. That is why we are making dn2 by d2 is equal to 0. Then if I substitute here differentiation of this value, then what happens here, dn2 by d2 is equal to 0. Lambda 1 by lambda 2 minus lambda 1 as it is, n1 0. Then what happens, n1 0 and lambda 1 by lambda 2 minus lambda 1, if you take cross multiplication this will go this side, so totally becomes 0. Remaining term e power of minus lambda 1t, e power of minus lambda 1t. This differentiation value of t lambda 1t becomes minus lambda 1, it is written already. The differentiation of this e power of minus lambda 2t is minus lambda 2t e power of minus lambda 2t is equal to 0. So what I am doing is minus into minus plus plus, it is written here. So minus here what I am doing is this term we are sending to this side. Then lambda 2t lambda 2 e power of minus lambda 2t lambda 2 e power of minus lambda 2t is equals to this value lambda 1. If it becomes this side become plus, so lambda 1 e power of minus lambda 1t e power of minus lambda 1t. What I am doing is lambda 2 is equals to this value is equals to this denominator is coming, so lambda 1 as it is e power of minus lambda 1t. This denominator is becoming as a denominator, so e power of minus lambda 2t. Now lambda 2 by lambda 1, this we are taking cross multiplication, so lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equals to e power of minus lambda 1t by e power of minus lambda 2t, as it is we are writing here. This lambda 1 only we are bringing as a denominator of lambda 2. So further if you concentrate, then this value is as it is written, but the thing is here small correction is there. So what I do is further simplification, e power of minus lambda 2 we are bringing up as a numerator, then e power of plus lambda 2 it becomes, so that is written here plus lambda 2t. This one is becoming e power of minus lambda 2 is becoming as a plus lambda 2t. This is as it is we have written here. Now what is there means lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equals to e power of lambda 2t, this minus minus lambda 1t we are writing because bases are same, powers will be added, so from this we are writing here. Here t is a common both terms, so you can write log also we are applying at the same time, log of lambda 2 by lambda 1 log of e power of lambda 2t minus lambda 1t, as it is we have written. So here what we are doing is log of lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equals to, we are writing log of is a log means exponential power gets cancelled, so lambda 2t minus lambda 1t as it is we are writing. Then we are writing taking common t, then we are getting what here here. So here like this we can get it t, if I take common this term like this we are getting the same term we are getting like this So this is a term we are writing here. So here in this place we have to write. So here you can write here t is equals to, I can write here, this is the t value, you can write here as t is equals to, it becomes like this. So this is the final value we got after simplification like this. Okay. So finally, the time taken for A2 reaches maximum value t is equals to log of lambda 2 by lambda 1 by lambda 2 minus lambda 1. This is a final time. So this much of time it is taking to A2 this much of time it is taking to reach A2 nucleons should be maximum. So this is over.